Hello everyone, in this video we'll be showing you an easy method to customize Windows 11 interface. There are a few steps to follow, and if you have yours, you can let us know in the comment section below, but right now we're going to be showing you some of our tips. One of the easiest ways to do this is to right click on your empty desktop, click on personalize, and then right here you have some customization options. And starting with themes. If we minimize this a bit, you can see that this is our theme. Our theme has some changing wallpapers using the same theme. Now, if you go back to your settings, you can see select a theme to apply. So the first step is to easily change your theme. If we switch it up to this theme, you can see captured motion has 4 images. And if you go over here, the first one we had is glow with 4 images also. If we minimize this, you can see we have a new theme applied on our windows. Going back to settings, there are more things we could do to customize our windows. The next option is to go over to background. Click on background, and here you can change your image, color, and have a slideshow. If you want to personalize your background with slideshow, you can click down. There are 4 options here. There is Windows Spotlight, Slideshow, Solid Color, and Picture. If you have a slideshow, it will use the default slideshow that comes with a theme. However, if you have a customized folder for pictures you'd like to use, could be family photos or photos you've taken, you can click on the browse option and go ahead and select the folder. Now, when you choose these, you can also change how frequently these pictures change. For example, you have change picture every 30 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hours, daily, or every minute. So you can change this to your preference. You can also shuffle the picture order if you want to, but currently this is turned off. The next thing you can do is to go over to colors and then change the accent color. So currently the accent color is purple. We could change it to red, and you can see the accent changing over to red. If we want it in green, you can see the difference right here. We're going to leave it in purple because that's what we want. And there are other colors right here. You can also decide to show accent color on title bars and window borders by clicking on it as so, and you're going to have it applied to your window borders and title bars. Now, would you like to change some settings on your taskbar? You can come over here where you have taskbar, click on it. And if you'd like to have widgets, you can simply toggle this on and you can see the difference right here. When we hover over it, you can see some widgets which can be useful, such as having your forecasts, having the stock market at your fingertips, some games, some traffic incidents, etc. And you could also add widgets if you want to. Now you can see our mouse pointer is currently white. What you can do is to go over to find the setting at the top left area here, search for mouse, click on mouse settings, and then click on the pointer style. And then right here under mouse settings, under pointer style, you can see the different options. We're going to change this to this color. It's currently in lemon green or lime as they call it, and you can change it to another color. You can see right now our pointer has a different color and it gives some customization options. You could also change the size from 3 to make it look bigger. This looks really big. We're going to take it back to 3, but it's really your choice. So these are a few steps to follow if you'd like to customize your windows. There's just one more tip you can use. We have Windhawk. Windhawk is a third-party mode tool that you can use to install different modes on your PC and make some changes to your taskbar. What you can do is to go over here to explore other modes or click on browse for modes. We're going to click on any. For example, we can search for vertical, and here you can see vertical taskbar. Click on details, and then what this does is it could move your taskbar from the horizontal at the bottom to the vertical on the side. You could put this on the side if you want, and if you'd like it, you can go ahead and click on install, accept the risk and install, because of course Windows will perceive this as a risk. However, this is a trusted mode as we've tried it before, and we can click on accept the risk and install. And now, as you can see, after installing it, we have our taskbar on the left side now on our Windows. If you had this on your Windows before, Windows officially disabled this option, but with Windhawk, which is a third-party app, you can install this mode and have your Windows taskbar on the side. Which of these options are useful to you? Do let us know. And if you found this helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.